And compare it here. Alam nyo na, there are investors checking out, like Amazon. Last year they are checking out Davao City. They are going to invest here. Of course, we hope na other cities will also rise, not just the Davao City. And we Mindanaon, that's what we want. For us to become Metro Davao or Metro Mindanao, or ano bang gusto niyong itawag dyan? Kasi all those opportunity naman napupunta doon sa sa Luzon, and we are left behind, diba? And it's very chaotic na tumira sa Luzon. Guys, I tell you, nakakapagod tumira sa Manila. Patingin nyo, it's, diba? They are following traffic rules. Ganyan dapat, kahit walang CTTMO, kahit walang nagbabantay. Kasi sa Cebu my God. A great example is sa Cebu. Noong pumunta ako sa Cebu, my God, kahit may pedestrian na sa Cebu, grabe pa din yung tao, yung sasakyan magpaandar, halos akala nila walang tatawid. That's the reason why, although ang ganda nga ng Cebu, but ang dami namang bastos. You can't even follow as simple as traffic rules, and pinagmamalaki niyo pa that you are smarter than us. Diba? Even in Manila, you cannot even follow the bus carousel, and you're pinagmamalaki niyo pa. Ang tawag niyo sa amin, bay na bay. It's not even an insult for us. Bay na bay is like tropa na tropa. Humili naman kayo ng hurtful words that can insult Bisaya. Yung obvious na obvious, tapos akala nyong insulting. Ay nako. I'm so sorry if you got offended sa but I believe na if na-offend